A warm welcome to Dilipok's Academy's online videos on GRE sample questions. In this video, we will look at a question of the type one or more correct. Such questions are followed by the maximum of 8 options, of which you may select one or more to be the correct answers. Every option is preceded by a square box where we are supposed to click and finalize the answer. Here is a question from the topic called plane geometry. What is given is a is greater than 1 and we are supposed to find the area of parallelogram ABCD as shown in the figure. Let us look at the solution here. So all of us know that area of a parallelogram is given by base into height. Now what is the height? Height of parallelogram is the perpendicular distance between two bases, right? So you see we have dropped a height from vertex B on the opposite side, that is CD. So H, that is distance or length of BE, is the height for this parallelogram. Now in triangle BCE, which is a right triangle created, we can say that H is less than BC. But if H is the height of a parallelogram, then I am claiming that H is less than or equal to 2A. Why is it so? Because a rectangle is also a parallelogram. So if ABCD is a rectangle, then side BE will be same as side BC. No separate height will be required and H will be actually 2A. Also, the length of diagonal BD, that is a square plus 1, is given to us. Why could this be given? That needs to be thought over. This is because diagonal plays, or the length of the diagonal plays no role in the computation of area of a parallelogram. So now we will also make use of one small fact, that is a greater than 1. What we may do is put a equal to 2 in all three expressions, then it is easy to observe that length dB is equal to 2 square plus 1, which is 5, comma length BC, which is 2a, that is 4, and length DC is equal to a square minus 1, that is 2 square minus 1, which is 3. This is a Pythagorean triplet. Now further it can be verified that for a greater than 1, a square plus 1 the whole square is equal to a square minus 1 the whole square plus 2a the whole square. Hence, it can be concluded that the given parallelogram is actually a rectangle, and therefore area of that quadrilateral ABCD will be simply length into breadth, which is a square minus 1 into 2a, which is 2a cube minus 2a square units. Therefore, only second option is correct. Now, what is the key takeaway here? The key takeaway is make use of every fact given in the problem to solve the problem. For example, you must have understood how the length of BD was used to conclude that this parallelogram is actually a rectangle. Okay, so with this we will stop in this video. You are welcome to watch our videos on other topics and visit the website to watch the demo class. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.